Hello Divi Nation, welcome to another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative. If you don't know already, every week we've been giving away 2 free Divi Layout Packs for you, and they come straight from our design team. And the first one I have for you this week is a doctor's office layout pack. This layout pack design is both professional and clean. The pack has 8 different pages designed to deliver information clearly and proficiently. They have an FAQ page that keeps information nice and tidy with an effective use of toggles. The services page is primed for showcasing your medical services with some custom icons. And the single service page is also a very useful bonus. Go ahead and check it out and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Before you can import pre-made layouts from the Divi library, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. And you can actually do that by navigating to Divi, Theme Options, and then click on the Updates tab. And there you can enter your username and API key. And if you've done that already, you should have access to the layouts without a problem. Now we can start adding our layouts to our pages. So the first thing you need to do is go and create a new page by navigating to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and enter a title for your page and deploy the Visual Builder. Open the Settings menu at the bottom of the page and then click the Load from Library icon. Scroll down till you see the new layout. Click on it. And you'll see all of the layouts included. Find the one that you like and then click Use this layout. Once it loads, don't forget to publish it, and you'll want to continue that same process to set up all 8 pages with their corresponding layouts. Once all your pages are created, you can go ahead and create a new menu for your site. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Menus, then create a new menu by entering a menu name. Click the Create Menu button. Go ahead and select all of the pages that you've created over here on the left, and then click the Add to Menu button. Once all your pages have been added to your menu structure here, you can organize them however you like. And then don't forget to click your primary menu as your display location and save your menu. And one last thing is to go ahead and make sure that your home page is displaying your new home page layout. And to do that, you need to navigate to Settings, Reading. And under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then from the home page drop down, go ahead and select the new home page that you just created. Save changes. Now you're up and running with your new layout. All right, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook so that you don't miss out on any of those future freebies. And keep an eye out for our next freebie, which will be released on Friday. Also, you want to check out our This Week in WordPress live stream, which will also be this Friday at 3 p.m. Lots of cool stuff happening, coming up. Please check it out, and I look forward to seeing you soon.